Yeah, I don't know where these plants are coming from. I cannot figure, but lots and lots of fruits down on the floor. Lots of fruits. Hold the camera. I'm going to try one of them. There's one here. Clean up on the ground. Okay. I'm going to clean it now, and I'm going to bite it now. Sweet.
Very sweet. The smell is sweet.
It's like a mango family result.
Wow.
Seriously. See. I'm the only one going around the world and trying all the fruit that I can try. One over here. Come.
I don't see the tree.
Somewhere up there must be very high up the gully. Not a bamboo tree, must be very high up. Really tell me the tree. What tree is it? Again, one more time. Wow.
Sweet?
Yeah. Look at the mango family, tell you. There's one new one here. Yes, stand up. You know why it's just got on? It's clean on all the sides. On all the sides. Clean. Up. Higher. Up. See now? So, the plant will eat the whole seed.
The animals will
And
eat
they
the
will
whole.
sit it and they grow from that.
Right.
Look at the big birds.
Exactly.
Look, because the big seed, Rosario.
Yeah, it's a very big seed. So it has to be a big bird.
See.
I'm still looking for the palm tree that.
Look at the seed. It's not a palm tree.
That's not a palm tree.
See. So it's very slimy. See.
¿De qué árbol es?
Very slimy, you know. Not on the road, Rosario. So the tree must be very big. Let's go to the road. There we are. The road. The big seed.
¿Cuál es el árbol, Billy? ¿Sabes?
Come to the tree, Rosario. My God.
It's not a palm. It must be
No,
this
it's
tree,
not,
she
it's not
says.
Not a palm. Not a palm. See, we cannot find where the trees are.
¿Cuál es el árbol?
Es jobo, ¿no? Es jobo.
¿Cuál es este árbol?
Es ciruela. No,
¿Cuál es?
jobo.
¿Cuál árbol es?
Jobo, la ciruela.
Yeah, this tree, Rosario.
Ah, found
This
it.
tree, this tree. Not a palm tree, this tree. Yeah, this is the tree, this is the tree, this is the tree, this is the tree, this is the tree.
So
This
this
is
is the
the
tree. This is the
This tree going up, 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 and going up and coming down here. There, at the end of the branch. There, so these are the trees. This is the fruit that we're eating just now. There. Wow, we finally found the trees with the fruit that we're eating on the floor. You see how they propagate themselves, Rosario? Thank you, Mother Nature. Thank you for all that we do for Mother Nature, for the animal kingdom, for the plant kingdom, growing with all the remove that Mother Nature gives you, the oxygen, the plant, the land, the river, the water. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All Mother Nature is being a divine fire. All Mother Nature beings are the purity God is. All the trees in Mexico and all over the world are beings of divine fire. All the trees in Mexico and all over the world are thank you, thank you, thank you. And that good.
Thank you, sir.
Look at this tree. Coming down, and look. Whoa. Such a beautiful fruit. Palm fruit. Wow, very interesting. Small tree going up all the way down. A little thing, not very high, maybe about 4 feet high. And you got beautiful trees, fruits. Bitter. It's a bit bitter. Bit bitter. Not so good. Same thing, huh? They grow like that. Nice, but it's bitter. Okay, good. Okay, can eat this. Can eat? Can
Sí,
eat?
se come.
¿Se come?
Y sí, ábrelo más para que vea. Con huevo.
Huh?
This,
Wow.
this is with
the palm
egg.
tree I took picture just now. They say you can eat them.
This is amargo.
Con huevo.
This is with
egg.
Mm,
Yes, it's
a bit bitter. A bit bitter, madam.
Ya le hicieron.
I must heal my mouth chakra. Healing one, healing condition, my mouth chakra and my tongue chakra. Not easy. You must cook it.
Y mira que él para que haga feo de algo.
You cook it better. You cook it. Huh?
Es para cocinar, sí. Yes, it's for cooking.
Mouth chakra, cooking. Huh? Okay, good.
Is
I tried
bad?
many things today.
Is bad, sir?
Ah, you Mexican can. Look at her. Show her camera here. Ah, she's Mexican. But still, there's something there. Huh? Something bitter. A bit bitter.
No.
No bitter? Come on. Are you serious?
Estoy acostumbrada.
Sí.
I bring my mouth chakra. Okay, better. Thank you. Ay, ay, ay.
It's good, sí.